Hi, thanks for stopping by Look Younger with Debbie. I really appreciate it. I have something really special for you today. I'm an esthetician. I'm a certified holistic nutritionist. I specialize in anti-aging, and I am in my 60s now, and I hope that all my experience of all the years that I've been doing this will really benefit you. So I have created something that is pretty amazing, and I've been working with some organic and wholesale labs, and we have come up with something that I think is extremely, extremely special. So I've had so many women that have come in lately and they said, well, I'm here because I'm beginning to see some aging and I don't like it in the mirror. And they'll tell me that, man, my eyes are looking bad. I've got puffs, I've got dark circles, I've got wrinkles. My neck is starting to fall. My face is starting to fall. What can I do about it? Well, I have found this new product. This is the little kit that it comes in, and it is a serum that is has organic ingredients, antioxidants, and vitamins. And what it does is it goes deep into your skin, and it instantly firms your skin and smooths out the wrinkles within about 5 minutes. So you can use it anywhere that you have lines and wrinkles. It also will do some lifting with the little tool that I've included. And so when I put this serum on my clients, and then I use this little tool over top of it, and the little tool that comes in the kit, it has an oscillation of 158, and it also heats up to 74 degrees. And so that combination will actually cause collagen production. So the more you use it, the better it looks, the better it gets, and it has a delivery system. So when you put this serum on, this serum is standalone. You can just use it, and you don't have to have the tool, but this together, this will make it work like 3 times as well if you had just the serum alone. Even though the serum alone, you will see a difference. But when you use the tool, you not only drive in the product, but it actually does lymphatic drainage. So if you have dark circles or if you have puffiness, you will start seeing a difference like right away. And some people tell me, well, how long do I use it? Well, you use it until you see what you like, because it will only take a few minutes. So if the worst area is around your eyes, you can just really work that, and you'll start seeing the puffiness go down, the dark circles go away, the lines, just within probably 3 to 5 minutes. And then of course do the other side. But if your problem area is the nose to the nasolabial lines here, you can just work those. A lot of people, they say, well, it's my lips. I have all of a sudden I have all these little lines above my lips. You can work your lips until you don't have any lines. If you have the 11 here, you can work that. Now it doesn't make it hard to where you won't be able to make that expression again. So if you work on your 11 here, it will come back if you make that, if you continue to make that expression. But other than that, anything you do, this will last all day. It will last probably about 6 to 8 hours, and then it kind of comes down again, and then if you're going out, you can reapply it and do it again. But it is short-term and long-term. So as you use it, it will actually make your skin better. So you will get the benefit of all the antioxidants, and it's based in organic aloe and organic coconut oil, but then it has all of the wonderful natural organic ingredients that will just lift your face. Now I had one lady that she was, anyway, it was a business situation, and I said, hey, I have this serum, would you like to try it? She says, yeah. So I put the serum on her and did the tool, and she was like, do you have this with you? I said, yes, I do. And she says, I want it. So she got the kit, and then I saw her a couple weeks later, and she says, you wouldn't believe what happened. I saw my son. She's 60, and her son's an adult. And he said, Mom, what have you done to your face? And she said, well, what do you mean? And he said, the word fresh comes to mind. He said, your face is so lifted and smooth and fresh. What have you done? So she said, thank you so much. I love that. Other ladies, I've put this on during a treatment and used the tool, and the comments that I've had is, "What did you do with my wrinkles?" Another lady said, "How is this possible?" So I am so excited. And when I show people before and after, so I've been clicking these little before and afters when I have people in my treatment room, and I'll show people the pictures and they'll say, "Oh yeah, I've seen that before on television." It's like, no, you haven't. I'm the only one that has this. And so what they're talking about is Plexiderm, and Plexiderm is completely different. And what I was going to tell you is what the difference is, so that there isn't any confusion. And what the difference is with the Plexiderm, it is made with silica, which is kind of a mineral rock type of a thing in like a powdered form. And what that does is it tightens. You wait a few minutes and then it tightens. But it's very dry, and if you put something over it, it will mess it up. You can't use any product over it. Where with this, you can put another moisturizer over it or a little makeup or something, but with that, it would completely ruin it. And it also doesn't do anything for your skin long term. It does tighten your skin, but it won't do anything for your skin. It will actually, it's actually very drying, whereas when you put this on, you will have that smoothing, tightening, but it will stay moist and dewy and glowy. And like the lady said, that her son says that the word fresh comes to mind. So it gives you this fresh glow that lasts all day, but you don't have that that tight, dry feeling that you get from the other product that doesn't do anything for you long term. So what I love about this is it does short term and long term. So you're going to smooth, you're going to be able to lift your face, and you can participate as much or as little as you want. If you don't have a lot of time and you just want to put the tightening serum on in the morning and do whatever else you do, you will see a difference. But if you want to take a few minutes and really work like your under eye area, or those lines, or your lips, whatever you want to do, if you want to take the time to do that, you can. I tell people, if you're going to go somewhere special and you really want to look your best, you can spend like 20 minutes if you want, put it all over your entire face and neck, and really work every area, and your face will look absolutely amazing. I'm not kidding you. So this is youngerlift.com. It's youngerlift.com, and I'll put the link in there, and I will even give you a special code as an intro, and the code when you check out is SPA, S-P-A, and if you put the code in, you will get 20% off, and you can buy the serum by itself, or what I recommend is the kit. It also comes with complete instructions on how to use it, and you will not be disappointed. And I do have a complete 30-day money-back guarantee, no questions asked, and you will be very happy. I see women all the time that have bought this that says, "Hey, I love it, thank you, I'm so glad I have this, it's amazing." So that is what I wanted to tell you. And then of course this is the Plexiderm that I was talking about, and I wanted to let you know that there is a big difference between Plexiderm and my product, because I know already I have people confusing it when they see the before and after pictures. So thanks so much. I will see you next time. Check out the description. Go to youngerlift.com, and I will see you next time.